This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC. First, select a trusted Android emulator like GameLoop, which is specifically designed for mobile gaming on desktop. Make certain your computer system meets the recommended specifications for a seamless experience. A powerful processor, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card will significantly enhance your gameplay. Remember, a robust internet connection ensures there are no frustrating disconnections while you play. Next, navigate to the official GameLoop website and download the installation file. Always verify you are on the correct site. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer and follow each step presented on your screen. The installation process typically takes only a few minutes to finish. After the installation is done, open the GameLoop application to proceed with installing PUBG Mobile within its interface. Now, inside the GameLoop application, locate the Game Center or use the search bar at the top to find PUBG Mobile. Click the prominent Install button associated with the game to start the download and installation within the emulator. This process will download all necessary game files, which can be several gigabytes in size, so be patient. Once fully downloaded, the game will automatically install and be ready to launch. With the game installed,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.